First, install the Avo Pro app into your cell phone. Then press to turn on the scooter. Open the Bluetooth on your cell phone. Open the app and reconnect. Then the scooter is connected. You can turn on off the zero start. And you can also unlock your scooter. Then your scooter locked, you cannot use it. If unlocked, then it's okay. You can turn on off the light. You can also turn on off the cruise control. You can also change the speed gear. And also you can check the scooter details with the battery, the speed, the weightage, and the subtotal mileage. And it supports multi-language. And in the advanced setting, you can set the accurate response and brake response. Most important, you can use the speed limit value to change from high speed of 31 kilometers to the low speed of 1 kilometers.
Our scooter is waterproof IP65 because it has a silicone waterproof pad. It's our pattern for this. And also here I will show you our scooter is totally waterproof because you see the PCB board can directly into the water and it still works well, you see. So no problem for any water